Right, so I am going to quickly show you this Sign In Windows Connect button that we have in Classlink. This is the typical way we sign into Classlink, putting in your username and password and clicking Sign In. Once you're into Classlink though, if you click on the drop-down arrow for your profile, click on My Profile, and go to Sign In Options. If you have not yet connected through Windows, there should be right here a button that says Connect. If you click on that, and then click out of your My Profile window, when you sign out of Classlink, and then go back in, clicking on this Windows button. The first time you do this on any device, once you are connected through Windows, you'll have to put in your full email and your password. Press connect, and then the next time you log into that machine, you will see this window here. So I'm going to close out of that, go back in to Classlink, and show you, once you've entered in your full email, you should be able to just click on your Windows Connect button. Your name will pop up, and you can get into Classlink without putting in your credentials again. This has been really handy for us over at Dimming with our younger kids. We spend less time logging in and more time learning. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.